All right, namaste. What's going on, guys? Today's gonna be a short one because I had a hardcore leg workout yesterday, and I am sore AF. But anyway, I had my first loss in a while. First one in the last 7 trades that I took, and as you can see, I gave back the profits that I made yesterday. So the loss today was for about 175, and I made 150, I think yesterday or the day before, I can't remember. But so the reason was yesterday I risked about $100, but today I risked about 150 or 175, sorry. So as I'm building my account, I'm trying to take more risk um, as I get into more profit. But anyway, let's go into the breakdown of today's trade. Um, Not the greatest analysis from my end, to be honest with you, okay? So this was this high here, and what ended up happening is the market grabbed this liquidity to go down, right? But when I'm analyzing the market, I was here, we closed clearly above this high, and then the second candle, even though it's bearish, there's a big wick here bounce, right? So my guess was that we were going to go up, but when I looked at my daily bias, I wasn't sure if we were going up or down, to be honest with you. So I was looking for some other kind of confirmation. In retrospect, when I have those kind of days, I have to remind myself to stay out of the market. When I'm not sure, just stay out. But today I was trying to force and find something, right? And what convinced me was I like to look at market internal sometimes, and the ADDQ and the ADD were trending pretty high, okay? They were trending pretty high with the volatility a little higher than usual as well. So that gave me a bias towards longs because most stocks were trending up with higher volatility. So anyway, I from this I made the decision that okay, I'm not gonna look at all that stuff that was outside my trading plan. When I'm looking in retrospect, what happened was I wasn't sure. I should have stayed out of the market, but I forced myself to find a trade, and I got punished. I'm very grateful in the long run because this is a lesson I need to learn. I got back to my old ways, which I didn't do for like the last month of forcing and trying to look and be agitated or something. But anyway, when looking for the trade, the model confirmed though. So I took, in terms of taking the setup was there, okay? We went down, up, liquidity grab, up with great displacement. This is the fair value gap inside the breaker block. So I entered here. Of course, I get stopped out. It's not a big deal. The bigger deal is I love that I learned this lesson. Very, very grateful for it because I needed a reminder, I suppose. But the longer issue that I'm dealing with is even though I won 6 trades out of the last 7, I don't feel confident. I don't feel confident. I feel scared that I cannot do this, or inside of me, I want a feeling of, oh, I want to do this. I want to be able to feel confident that I can do this. And this feeling is not there right now, and I'm not sure. I'll have to do some introspection. But if you have any ideas, if you have experienced that before, please let me know in the comments. But yeah, I know with time I will learn a lesson. But right now, this feeling of dread and not lack of confidence, I'm not sure why that's happening. Even though I have been on a really good streak, I have been disciplined, and it has proven on paper that I have the skills, that I can do this. But emotionally, deep inside, I feel inferior, or maybe fear of failure, fear of not being good enough. I don't know yet. We'll have to do some journaling and introspection. But yeah, that's it for today. Namaste. Hopefully, the next few days will be better for me in the markets. I'll talk to you soon.